Megan Needler here to talk about Legrand's Chief Tempo flat panel wall mount system. This is really exciting. This is Chief innovating right in the sweet spot of what we do best. What's great about this system is that it's designed specifically for multi-room conference deployments. So instead of integrators stuck managing the entire installation on site, what they're able to do now is outfit this installation in their fabrication shop, test and validate the system. They can actually design it with the consistency it was intended for, and what they do on site is they hang it on the wall. So everything can be done in a controlled environment. We've got custom accessories like you can see here with the Crestron Flex integration kit, and that has all the mounting holes designed specifically to partner with Crestron to make the installation super seamless. The mount extends away from the wall, which allows for easy service and maintenance. So for more information, visit techneck.com.